So have you ever heard the term AI insourcing? I think it's going to become something that's much more relevant as we move forward in this age of AI. Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we leverage AI to help you grow your business, whether it's profit growth or productivity acceleration or scaling your business. We leverage AI across the board. But AI insourcing is something that every business can take advantage of, whether you use my services or someone else's. What I mean by AI insourcing is taking all those things that you currently outsource or are considering outsourcing, consultant work, fractional C-suite work, marketing, creative agencies, all of that stuff that you outsource today. If you could do it faster and cheaper, and maybe even better internally, wouldn't you do so? I want to talk about how AI can help, but I want to give a little historical context. If you think back to the turn of the 20th century, back into the late 1800s, prior to the Industrial Revolution, if you wanted a horseshoe, you would go to the blacksmith and you would say, hey, I need 4 shoes for my horse, or my horse threw a shoe, I need a shoe, right? After the Industrial Revolution, you didn't go to the blacksmith because those horseshoes were made in a factory and you bought them from a store. I think a similar kind of thing is going to happen with knowledge work, with AI being able to do what almost anybody can do. Where's the special value? If you can do it faster, if you can do it better, if you can do it cheaper internally by teaching some of your people or having some of your people learn how to do some of these things. In fact, you can leverage not just the team of experts at the consultancy, right? They have a proven methodology. They have a team of specialists. They have a custom tailored solution. AI can do all of that. In fact, use world-class experts to do this work. And they can do it faster. So why would you spend tens of thousands of dollars to bring in a consultant team when you can do the same thing with AI? So what will happen to the people? Again, if we look back at what happened to the artisans, we still have a few smithies, right? A few blacksmiths. People love watching them work, but they're the very elite. And you don't have one in every village. Same thing is true with coopers, barrel makers, right? Now they make them for whiskey, for wine, but you have a few hundred in the entire world, not one in every village. So yes, there'll be a role for consultants, there'll be a role, but you got to figure out exactly what that role looks like. Or maybe the thing to do is to learn how to teach other companies to insource the work that you used to do. Maybe you'll become the human in the loop, because I believe that AI will always need someone to manage, to oversee, to double check. Anyway, it's something for you to think about. AI is coming faster and faster every day, and it's getting better and better. If you'd like to have a conversation, please reach out. The link's below. And have a grateful day.